Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine, and we've got another TubeBuddy tutorial for you. And today we're going to be talking about some new features that TubeBuddy has put onto their system. It is the comment tag cloud, and I just realized I don't have it pulled up here, so give me one quick second. There we go. And you can find me over at Geekazine. Once again, geekazine@gmail.com. If you want to contact me, Twitter handle, you know, all the other good stuff. So today we're talking about TubeBuddy, and a great program that I use a lot for my YouTube travels. And of course, you can get TubeBuddy here by going over to tubebuddy.com/geek. And of course, if you want to support the show, simply support the show. PayPal.me, one-time payment, paypal.me/Jeff Powers. You want to be a Patreon, go to patreon.com/Geekazine. But we're talking about TubeBuddy today, which is a great little program that you can get for to double what you're doing, triple what you're doing in your YouTube use, because it automates a whole bunch of stuff. And it's really simple to use. It's a Chrome extension. Let me back this out. So basically up here, you see the little TubeBuddy area. And then, of course, it gives you this nice little drop down. And then, of course, you see a whole bunch of TubeBuddy stuff in here as it inserts itself per the YouTube API license. So really cool stuff, and you can get it at tubebuddy.com. Two things we're going to show you. First of all, we're going to show you its new promotions area. And second of all, we're going to show you how you can utilize the comments to figure out what people are saying and how you can add to that. First of all, let's get into this new part of YouTube, and that is the channel promotion area. You have to go to the actual TubeBuddy page to get it, and you get to your main page with your health report and your launch pad and stuff like that. But basically, you can actually you can create links for your whatever channel you really want to promote and go from there. So basically, if I wanted to, I can my most recent upload, I can actually just take that Google short link right there and put it in where I need it to. Most popular upload, I can actually get the code a little bit more. I can check that just copied it. We can see that in a new page. That takes it right to the page, of course. Or we can create our own link titles right over here. And of course, you'll see things like this. You'll see a full analytics. If you start using most recent upload, people click on that, you'll start seeing that there. I haven't really been using it too much. Working on where I'm going to be putting these. So you could also put in your promo materials. We've got you can check the analytics on there. You got your channel banner. It's giving you the channel thumbnail and a full embed code to on your website or blog, which I do have at geekazine.com. In fact, I'll show it to you really quick. You just have to go over to Geekazine. You'll see it on the top right-hand corner right here. So this is the most recent video I did, and now this is the most recent video. I guess it's not doing the live videos, of course. So, but you'll see everything there, and of course you can subscribe from there. We hit our 10,000 subscribers, by the way, which I was really excited about. So, all right, so that's the that's inside of TubeBuddy's area, and of course, if you want to get TubeBuddy, all you have to do is go to tubebuddy.com/geek. Supports me, puts the lights on the table. I was going to say puts the lights on the table. Yeah, sure. Yeah, it puts everything on the table. But let's also talk about the next part, and that is comments. Now, if you're on YouTube, you really want to be figuring out your comments. You want to be interacting with your people, your community, so you build your community so they subscribe. Because a lot of people that don't subscribe, that comment, if you reply, and if you reply quickly, sometimes, and most of the time, they become subscribers. And it's pretty cool. So you want to make sure that you understand where your comments are coming from. Now, YouTube's changed the whole comment system, which kind of got a little bit frustrating here. But let's take a look at it. If you go to the comments here, whoops, that's the upload page. That's not what I wanted. Let's just go back to comments. If you go to the comments, you're going to see comments, but this doesn't help you because of the fact that when you click on it, it doesn't go to the community area. It goes to the actual page, and then you have to wait for the comments to load. It's actually very slow, very archaic. So TubeBuddy actually put in a TubeBuddy reply down here. So now when somebody says, this person was talking about their budget in 6 classrooms, I already replied to them, and you can see that right there. But I could actually reply from here if I wanted to make life easier. And that's a little TubeBuddy third-party Chrome extension add-on right there, which is really cool. But if we want to, let's go to we're going to the comments page, and we're going to talk about this word cloud. This is actually really cool. So I have on my page, I just have the top posts here. And another thing that TubeBuddy actually put on the bottom is the show more. They added the ability to show more, show 5 pages more, show 10 pages more, show 20 pages more. So you don't have to do show more, scroll down, show more, scroll down, show more, scroll down, so on and so forth. So they added really cool functionality there. But I'm showing this word cloud because this is really cool. And of course, this is just one page with a word cloud. But you can see these are the words that people are saying inside the comments. Thanks, would, video, with. These are the hot topics. So if I come down, let's just add 5 pages. Hopefully it won't take too long to do 5. On the side, it actually says loading page 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5, 5 of 5, and of course that's more comments. It takes a little bit of time, but you know, once it's done, now we can close this word cloud. Let's reopen it up, and we got a whole bunch of new stuff. Video, thanks, with, like, a lot of people say thanks in my videos, and that's great, but I now know what people are commenting on. And maybe, you know, like for instance right here, we got my my Bell's palsy videos. They're talking about palsy. We get that in the tag cloud. We got Wirecast up here, which is what I use for my creating my videos. Amazon here, great, very, only. Let's see, review. There's nothing. It doesn't look bad or anything like that. So this is great if you're trying to find if a lot of people are telling you that's a horrible thing, or I hate you, or things like that. You can actually put this in the word cloud and understand what's going on and why they're doing that, because you know, you want your video. This is part of your video system. And by understanding what the people are talking about, you can then turn around and say, hey, okay, why are you talking about this? Why are you doing this? What's going on? How can I fix all of this? And go from there. So really cool stuff with the tag cloud. And it really gives you a sense of what the people are saying. And in my tag cloud, thanks, video, with, like, with is 13 times. That's the number that's written right next to with. So I can say, okay, well, why are people saying with so much? Is that important or not? But thanks is the more important one. And it looks like I've been getting a lot of thanks in here. And it's really cool to understand how people are commenting and why they are commenting. And of course, I'm only getting a small snapshot. I went through I actually did the 20 pages, show more, 20 pages, show more, to get a couple of years worth of comments. And then I did a tag cloud. It takes a long time to do, but in the end, I got a better idea of what people are saying. And thanks actually jumps to number 1, and tech and some other terms. So now these in the tag clouds, you can actually use these into your regular tags. You can use these into your descriptions. Say thanks on video with like, or anything like that. You know, put those in the description. Put those into your tag cloud, so people can find you a little bit better and comment a little bit more as well. Great stuff there from TubeBuddy. And of course, you can't get that on YouTube. You get it only through TubeBuddy, and you can get TubeBuddy right here, tubebuddy.com/geek. Plans are pretty low. You can definitely, I think it's like $9 a month for the first plan, to give you the basic stuff that is the annotations and the cards, just all that. And that new area, the end screen, you can actually set up a template for the end screen and put that put on videos and stuff like that. I'm playing with that. That's going to be one of the next videos coming up, is that. So, but basically I wanted to show you this one, and it was just TubeBuddy tutorial, comment tag cloud, and of course the promo materials area that you can get on TubeBuddy. Thanks a lot for watching. My name is Jeffrey Powers. You can find me over at Geekazine, and of course all the socials right there. You guys geek out. We'll see you at the next video.